What up? What up? What up, YouTube? Back again, man. Hit me boy 392, bringing you another video. It's been a while. I've been having some technical difficulties, but that's all over. We back now. Today's video, y'all know we finna perform that little facelift on the big 392 over here. If you ain't watched my last video, go ahead, check the last video out, see what all we finna be putting on and taking off and whatnot, just to make the car look a little bit better. But if you're watching this video right now, just make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because now, man, now that I'm back, we going up. You know, all 2021, I got a lot of stuff still coming for the Scat. Did I break my door? Got a lot of stuff still coming, a lot of stuff still planned. Just the execution, y'all already know that. So right now I'm getting ready to go over here and head to the shop. We getting ready to go put everything on today. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, because I'm gonna be helping. I know somewhat of what to do, so hopefully it'll take us about an hour or two to put everything on. So I gotta be back at the house. I got somebody coming to do my window. So yeah, y'all. Let me go ahead and give y'all this cold start. Man, it's been a minute since I picked up this camera, man. It just feels unnatural now, you know what I'm saying? So let me shut this door and give y'all this cold start real quick. Feels like forever since I heard that, but yeah, let me go ahead and get over here to this shop. So we get all my I got my tools as well, so you know, I don't have to be stopping and asking anybody for any tools. So I got all my stuff, everything I need, and we're just gonna go over here and try to make this happen real quick, and I'll catch y'all in. Alright, y'all, as y'all can tell, ain't nothing done to the car yet. I went there, they wasn't there yet, so I just came home. Yeah, I made the decision that I'm not gonna pay nobody to do it. I'm gonna do it myself. So I had went to Walmart and I bought a low profile jack, so I can at least jack the car up and, you know, in the air, so I have better access to underneath it since it's so low. So I went and did that. Got all my tools over here. Got my little set of sockets and my trimmer removal tools up in there. So pretty much, guys, all you got to do is take off all these what is it called, push pins, you know, so you can free up pretty much everything that you're gonna have to do up here. There's a T something screw right over there, and there's some pins under here you have to remove. These are going to be different than you guys's if you don't have the Nova Stretch bra, because the Nova Stretch, it comes with these type of buttons. So down here, y'all not going to have these if you don't have the Nova Stretch. You're just going to have the regular push pin like it is up here. So you're going to do that, and then there's two bolts, 10mm, I think. There's one right there, and then I know there's one right there. And that pretty much loosens the bumper for you to take it off, other than the few screws that you got underneath it, which is why I went and bought a jack, because obviously I can't fit my big self underneath there with it being low to the ground. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be doing this project myself. So that's that. You can take the wheel off if you want to. For time's sake, I'm probably not gonna take the wheel off, just because I really don't want to. If it comes down to it and I have to take the wheel off, then I'll take the wheel off, but I'm gonna try it without taking the wheel off first. Hopefully I got good enough access to get under or behind there with the wheel on, and I don't have to do any of that. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and try to tackle this process and I'll show you as I go. Y'all, so ran into a little issue here. My wheel in the front is too big for me to even remotely try and get up here with anything to loosen the bumper, because that's pretty much, I literally did everything except for these two screws up here, and I tried to peel this plastic back as far as I could and it wouldn't work. So I'm gonna have to wait, because I have everything here to take the wheel off, but they seem like they just torqued this motherfucker on so tight I cannot get it loose for the life of me. So I can't take the wheels off, unfortunately, but I am going to be installing these side markers today. I don't know if you've seen in the last video, I got these LED side markers, these smoked ones. I'm going to be installing these today and seeing how they look. Obviously they're going to look better than these orange ones. As you can see, my tent was starting to peel up anyways, so it was about time to change them out anyways. So what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna button the bumper back up, everything that I took off of it, and just probably try to wait till tomorrow, because it's not hard getting the bumper off. It's just, I would have had it off already if I could get my wheels off. But like I said, they were too tight, so I'm gonna have to save that. I gotta get somebody's impact. Maybe I get one today. I think my dad has one, and reattempt it. But for now, I'm gonna just do these side markers. And I might do this intake today as well. I don't know. I might do it. But y'all just gonna have to tune in and find out in the next clip. But let me go ahead and finish this and I'll show you what. Alright guys, so I got the fronts done, at least. But you look at my hands and my arms and knuckles, I'm all fucking scraped up. And the reason being is that I believe the wheels that I got are 20 by 10 and a half, something like that in the front. So when you turn the wheel, it's not as much room as you would expect or as you would normally have with one of the factory wheel sizes or the stock wheel sizes. It is a lot more tighter in there. These was a pain in the ass to get because of it. Now, I know a lot of you gonna be saying like, hey, why not just take the wheels off? Now, I tried that. I tried with my 4-way over here. I got it right here. You know, tried to bust the wheels free. They are on there tight as hell. I tried multiple times to get them off. So I'm gonna have to get an impact and get those off so I can make everything else easier from here on out. So yeah, bumper, I wasn't able to get to that with the same reason being as the wheel. I couldn't take the wheel off, and it wasn't enough room for me to get to the 2 screws that are up here to release the bumper. I got everything else all taken off, and then I got to that part and I couldn't get it off, so I had to button it all back up, and you know, couldn't get that. So I think the side markers look good for right now, although I wasn't able to get to the back ones because same issue. The car is really low and the wheels are really big. In the back they're 20 by 11 and a half. I know for a fact in the back, and plus it's really lower, so as you see, like me putting my hand there, it's not very much room for me to work and get the 2 screws that are back there. So I gotta take the wheel off back here as well, undo the screw up here to release the bumper, and you know, unscrew the T25s, whatever the frick it is back there. But man, it is so frustrating when you plan to do something and then like you get to doing it and you realize you don't have every tool that you need, or you can't get something off because you don't have the right thing. So my advice to anybody who likes to work on their own car, just like a do-it-yourselfer, get some tools, use some tools that'll help you make your job easier instead of taking, you know, thinking you're gonna take the the easy route, but you need to take the easier route, you know what I'm saying? So I went and I invested in a low profile jack, which I paid 60 bucks for. Fits right under the car perfectly. 60 bucks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and invest in a impact drill, which is probably gonna make taking wheels and putting wheels on 10 times easier and faster. Right there, I think that's about $100 and something. Go down to the Harbor Freight or something in a little bit and check that out. That's about $100 something. So altogether, I think I'm paying like 200 bucks. Now for me to take it to the shop and have them take my wheels off, put it on the lift, take the bumper off, everything that I'm pretty much gonna do by myself, it's probably gonna be a good $400-500 bucks. I'm doing it for under $200 and I'm doing it myself. So if you can do it yourself and save you some money, I would advise you do it yourself. Now if it's something you're very uncomfortable with, then go ahead, by all any means, take it to the shop, have them do it. But me, I watch a lot of YouTube. I worked on my last charger. I pretty much did everything on this charger, so it's kind of easy. All you need to do is watch a few videos. But that's gonna be it for that. Tomorrow, or the next video that you guys see, I'm gonna be installing that JLT cold air intake, which is in that box right there. I unboxed the last video. If you missed that, go check it out. And also this snorkel grill, which I know some of you didn't see. If you see it, you see it. I added a little something to it, so that's gonna change the look. That's gonna set it off a little bit in the front, rather than the Scatpack back there. But you know, if you didn't see it, you didn't see it. If you seen it, you seen it, and you know what's going on. So I got that. That's what I'm gonna be putting on in the next video. Assuming I can get an impact in time and, you know, get everything all taken off and good without breaking anything. But I'm tired right now. But that's gonna be it for today's video. The next video, obviously, I just told you what I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna show you what the backside markers look like, because I'm gonna do those as well. I'm gonna just chop that all into one video. Give y'all a lot of content in the next video. That's all I can say, man. But if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Also, leave a comment down below what you think about side markers and or anything that I showed you on this rack right here. Let me know what y'all think, how it's gonna look, and like I said, yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.